In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add columns on Wix. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to enhance their site's layout and make the page more visually appealing. Whether you're a seasoned developer or just starting, these steps will guide you through the process with ease. Let's begin by heading to the Wix website editor. You'll want to start by opening your preferred browser and logging into your Wix account. Once you've signed in, navigate to the dashboard, select the site that you want to edit, and open the Wix editor. This is your main workspace where all the creative magic happens. As you're in the editor, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't already. On the left hand side, you'll notice a panel with various options. We're going to focus on the section where you can add new elements to your page. Look for the plus icon, commonly referred to as Add. This is your gateway to adding new content to your site. Once you've clicked on the plus icon, a menu will expand with a range of options. Here, hover over the option labelled Strip. Strips are powerful layout tools that help in organising your content vertically on the site. They can also serve as a great base for adding columns. As you hover over strips, don't click yet, let's refine our selection a bit more. Next, you'll want to hover over the Classic option. The Classic style is a versatile choice that provides a clean and professional look to your strips, making them perfect for any style of website. As you hover over the Classic option, you'll notice several templates or styles to choose from. Feel free to explore these options, but remember you can always customize your strip later to better fit your site's design. Now select one of the classic strip options that you feel best suits your design aspirations. Once selected, this will be added to your page. You can adjust its position on your page by dragging it to your desired location. With your strip in place, it's time to transform it into a column layout. To do this, find and click on the layout icon. This will open a new dialog box providing you with various layout configurations. In this panel, locate the option that says Add Column. Clicking on Add Column will split your strip, adding a new column beside the existing one. You can continue to add more columns if needed. Each column can house different content, from text and images to videos and buttons, allowing you the flexibility to design a comprehensive and well-structured page layout. That wraps up our tutorial on adding columns to your Wix site. By now you should have a beautifully laid out page with custom columns to enhance your site's aesthetics and usability. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to experiment with various styles and layouts to find the perfect fit for your needs. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.